Good afternoon, everyone. This is Roscoe from over at Romeo Kia, doing a quick little video on actually a Tesla that we got in pretty recently. So, gonna just hop right into it. So, this is the key to the Tesla. Yes, it is really the key to the Tesla. So, I wanted to kind of go into it about what is involved in unlocking a Tesla. So, what you're gonna do is you've got your instructions right here on the card, actually. So, you just hold it to the door, turn it to the right, and it's locked. So, what you do from there is you just tap it on it again, and you're unlocked. It's as simple as that.